Hello YouTube. Today I'll be showing you guys what's inside one of these speakers like that you would get in a speaker set. So first, just gonna pull these off, and as you can tell, the speaker has been removed in here. Looks like the speakers have already been harvested. Normally there would be two of them. A small little tweeter, I believe, and the other subwoofer or just a regular speaker. I'm not a like audio equipment type person, even just an ordinary person who should know knowledge about this stuff. I'm just a scrapper. So, first thing to do is flip it over, take a look at what we got. So, looks like it's something made by Bose. There you go. Two little inputs here. We're just gonna undo these screws on the back that hold this in place. Alright, so we have been able to recover stuff in the back here. Basically, what we can do is we can twist these repeatedly and get the whole thing off. Luckily it's not soldered on, so it's relatively easy. There you go. Repeat on this one. A little bit of number 2 insulated. Or there might be steel wiring. Be sure to check with a magnet. So yeah, this piece here doesn't have anything in it that we want to keep, so this piece will go with our trash. Yeah, inside these things, they're not worth scrapping, honestly, because they're all wood or all plastic with little to no metal whatsoever. But it's good to see what's inside these kind of things. Looks like it's just a whole bunch of particle board. Yeah, this is stuff of termites' dreams. So be aware, termites love this kind of stuff. Yeah, there's honestly not that much in here that you really want to get. Just gonna pull out all this insulation. Be aware there may be spiders in here, so you want to be sure and wear gloves when you're doing this. There we go. And we got ourselves a little bit of wiring. So I'm gonna recover this little capacitor's film capacitor. Here looks like it's rated at 3 microfarads, 100 volts DC, made in Mexico. So, yeah, something I might keep. I'm wondering what that J means. I wonder if that's joules or what. Have to look that up. And of course we got our wire. And that's about it. So that's pretty much what's inside one of those speakers. Speaker boxes. So yeah. In summary, don't scrap them. They're not worth it. But now you know from my error and experiences, you now know that it's not worth scrapping. You'll make only a few cents for this entire thing. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe if you found this video interesting and useful, and I'll see you guys later.